This is Brett Moomey with SkipperBud's Yacht Sales. I'm going to take you on a tour of this 2014 Intrepid 375 center console in excellent condition. Pretty shocking, really. The owner has used this in freshwater only. It's been used for about 2 months each season and then stored inside private heated barn. This boat is in a custom black painted hull with a silver painted accent, powered by triple Mercury L6 300 Verados, pushing the boat to just over 55 miles an hour and only 100 and roughly 80 engine hours on these engines, fully serviced and maintained every single season. Open checkbook boat, as you'll see on condition once we start going through the boat. It does have the ski tow option. This boat is optioned for comfort cruising, extremely well, rough water boat. There's a fold away transom seat that's extremely easy to take out or together. Full entertaining sink and grill, as well as a high capacity ice maker and a refrigerator. This boat does have a generator that is under this center hatch here. There's a super nice access flip out boarding with a large dive door here. There's fish boxes, fully insulated, tons and tons of storage throughout this boat. Power actuated helm seat. Perfect layout on the helm controls here. There is a custom, I haven't seen another boat in this model with this helm enclosure. So there is a center spreader there, then very cool, both sides glass, power down, touch of a button there, and then of course that power spreader as well that opens in the center there. There's a full fusion stereo system, 2 subwoofers, countless speakers. One sub, 2 subs, speakers hidden all throughout. Again, just excellent condition boat.